Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we have seen about the introduction to components and also the different ways how we can register the components. We have seen, right? Now in this video, we will try to go deeper into the Vue.js, and up to now what we have did is, so we have created the project using normal approach. So we have used the CDN and we have did like that. Now in this video, what we will try to do is we will create the project in the most recommended way. Why? Because we are going deeper and deeper into the Vue.js. So the process right now, the project structure of what we are maintaining is not the recommended way. So we will try to create the project what the Vue.js suggests to us. Okay, before continuing to this video, if you are coming first time to here, please do support me by subscribing to my channel so that I will be posting more and more front-end development courses. Now in this video, let's see the Vue 3.x documentation, and let's go to the get started here. In the get started, what I can see is, let's go to the installation. So installation thing, if you see here, and right now what we are using the CDN way of approaching the CDN way we are approaching. So the project what we are doing up to now is the CDN way. Now let's do the most recommended way. So that is nothing but so here the CLI process. Okay, and also we have another process, that is a white thing. So we will see it in the future videos about this white development also, or what we can do. And here it is saying that Vue provides an official CLI for building the single page application. So why? Because now in the future videos we will be developing the routing concept and all those things. So we need to approach with the recommended way. And we are saying that so official CLI is supported. And here if you want to know more about the Vue CLI docs, so click here. So okay, let's open the Vue CLI. So this one is the Vue CLI website. So this is another website. This is another website maintained by the Vuejs team only. So this is just like the what I can say is Angular CLI. How we have for the Angular, same way we have the Vue CLI for the Vuejs project also. We can create the projects using Vue CLI. Vue CLI, what it will do is, so it will have a local host setup. So web dev server, so instantly set up for us, and local host, these all will be this, and also the plugins and all those things will be supported for us. Okay, so let's see how we can install this one. So let's go to the get started, and here if you see installation, if you see the installation, so let's go to the installation. Let's see the installation here. Here it is saying that the requirements what we need to have is Node.js requirement. Now they are saying that, so if you want to install the Vue CLI, Node.js is the compulsory requirement. So if you have the Node.js, if you want to check the Node.js whether it is installed in your system or not, just we can check by using node-v. So the version is present is 4.8.0. If you don't have the Node.js installed in your system, you can just type in the Google Node.js. Okay, and you can check the you can open the website and you can install the latest latest Node.js 15.0.1. I have 14.8.0, so you can install the 15.0.1. Now after installing the Node.js, so what is the thing what we need to do is we need to install the Vue CLI. Let's go to the here, and I can install npm install -g @vue/cli. Okay, so -g is nothing but we are installing globally, so globally in the system, and Vue CLI is the name of the package. Now let's try to install this one. It will take some time to install, and let's proceed to the another one. Here it is saying that after successfully installing the Vue, we can check the version of the Vue by typing the command vue ---- version. So we will check here the version of this command, version of this Vue also by after installing the Vue CLI. And here it is saying that if you have already Vue CLI installed in your system, you can update the existing Vue CLI using npm update -g Vue CLI. So we can use this command and we can upgrade our existing Vue CLI to the latest Vue CLI. Okay, so these are the things they have mentioned. So let us see whether the Vue CLI is installed or not. So it will take some time to install. So successfully Vue CLI has been installed in my system. So the version is Vue CLI 4.5.8. Let's go and check Vue ---- version. So the command what they have told. So let's type the command. So it is showing that 4.5.8. So that means successfully Vue CLI has been installed in my system. Now what I will try to do is, so we have completed this step, and let's try to create a project. In order to create a project, we need to type the command vue create hello world, it seems. So that means we need to go to the desired place. So desired place means desired project folder. That means here is my project folder, and I need to create vue create. What I will try to create is vue 3 hyphen project. I will do some name something like vue 3 hyphen project, and let's press enter. Upon typing this command, what they are saying, sir, what they are saying is you will be prompted with some options, it seems. Okay, so let's check whether I got some options or not. It has prompted me some options that default one vue 2 or vue 3. You want to install the vue 2 or vue 3, it is asking the options, so we can select both of these between this one. So right now we are using vue 3, right? So we can select the vue 3 version, and it is trying to install the project. It is trying to create the project, so it will take some time to create the project. The project has been successfully installed. Now it is saying that go to the project folder. So okay, fine, let me go to the vue 3 hyphen project, right? Mine vue 3 hyphen project. Okay, and it is telling that to run the command npm run serve. Okay, so this one is nothing but what I can say is ngserve. So how we will be having that angular command ngserve, the same scenario you will be having the np run serve, and it will try to start the development server. And development, after running this development server, you will be getting a localhost one URL, so that you can browse this one using this URL. So don't stop this one, and here localhost 8080. Okay, fine, let's go to localhost 4200 will be the angular thing, so what we have covered earlier course, and localhost 8080. So now the project has been successfully installed in our system. So this is the way how we can install the project using the how we can create the project using the Vue CLI. So this is the most recommended way of creating the Vuejs app. So from now onwards we will start the completing the course using this Vue CLI thing. And here you go, and this one will be should be run like this only, and might be what I can say, the design might be different when you are installing this one. So but under the hood the same, the concept will be the same. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video, and if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.